This is Space Headquarters. Come in, over. Repeat your objectives, over.
Copy, Space Headquarters. My objectives are to monitor, discover, and explore.
Sir, we detected some motion last night. Your assignment? Discover the true origin.
Reviewing the footage. What is that?
This expedition will require Scout, the autonomous robot, equipped with advanced monitoring sensors. Now record your route using Scout's mapping technology. Scout will save this path to patrol autonomously.
Patrol deployment is now set for 2000 hours.
Copy. Recharging battery. Patrol initiated. Night vision camera is enabled. Obstacle detected. Engaging omnidirectional maneuvers. Approaching origin of motion detection. Lifeform detected. Going in for a closer look. Looks to be some sort of dog, sir. Oh boy, we got contact. He's licking the camera, sir.
Well done, Scott. Head back to base.
Successful mission, sir. Over and out.
Programming Scout's next mission.
One-click start. No manual tightening. No manual adjustments. The binding will adjust based on your exercise state. Never fall off. This is CEXO ENI. Built-in smart chip, gyroscope, and air pressure sensor will detect the exercise level in real time. Pressure will be adjusted by microcompressor to ensure maximum protection for your knee joints. Since knees stand almost 80% of your body's weight, there's no muscle in this part, which means it's easy to be injured, and it's irreparable. Basically, 8 of 10 injured sporters will suffer the knee injury. ENI can effectively protect your patella, meniscus, and ligaments with a single button press. The airbag will adjust to the optimal pressure, provides joint support, and maximize comfort at the same time. If you ever need to have a break, there's no need to take off this knee pad. The smart chip will automatically relieve pressure and let you rest without removing it. ENI is perfectly customized by your own size. With these superb airbags, we can keep our top-level performance. With our ARM chip, gyroscopes, and air pressure sensors, when the gyroscope detects exercise, the airbag will pressurize rapidly. ENI is made of 5 TPU flexible airbags and a silicone retaining ring. Maximize knee pads protection. The intelligent control module supports both wired charging and wireless charging and utilizes magnetic suction for easy installation, which is easy to install. This is CEXO ENI. Basketball, tennis, mountaineering, fitness, or jogging. This will be your top choice.
Sometimes you need to design your path. Face the situation that takes your breath away. And sometimes you really do. Your mind is light, your breath is free, and you too feel free. Free, as if you're not wearing a mask. High-tech protection and natural breathing, with onboard electronic ventilation. Narvalo Urban Active Mask.
Air is life. However, the air we breathe in our cities today hold many dangers to our well-being. That's why at Narvalo we focus on this one thing that surrounds us all but which we think little about. The air we breathe. This is where our journey begins. Hi, I'm Ewout, and since 2018 we've been designing and developing the best pollution filtering smart mask in the world. Introducing the Narvalo Urban Active Mask. Discover the ultimate breathing experience thanks to its high filtration protection combined with optimal breathing comfort. We developed the Active Shield, which integrates a smart extraction fan which reduces the heat and humidity buildup inside your mask, with sensors that monitor your breathing well-being. Combined with our 99.9% filtration protection against particulate matter and smog, but also pollens, virus, bacteria, and odors such as those of a car exhaust, perfect for an urban environment.
Narvalo was born at the Politecnico di Milano Design School in my Final Synthesis Design Studio, where students work in developing innovative services and products to make better quality of life for people. Ewout was interested in air pollution and he decided to develop a super performative smart mask. The project brings together academic research and product innovation, which is the third mission of the Politecnico di Milano, demonstrating the Politecnico and Design School ability to transfer knowledge and innovation to companies and to intercept the right drivers for innovation in the small and medium enterprise system. In our case, the company involved is BLS, world manufacturing leader in respiratory protection products.
BLS is a company 100% specialized in respiratory protection products. We supply safety products for industries, hospitals and militaries. In the consumer market, we support and supply filtering technologies for innovative solutions.
All BLS products are developed in our internal research lab and they are certified by notified bodies. Narvalo Urban Mask is a PPE, personal protective equipment, certified according to the European standard EN 149. It's classified as FFP3R.
We believe in Narvalo because it's a perfect combination between protection and IoT technologies.
Narvalo is the Italian translation of narwhal, the mysterious animal which swims in the Arctic seas. We designed this mask for urban commuters to protect them during their daily life. However, Narvalo is more than just protection. It's also about creating a community of people that are aware of the quality of the air they breathe and are willing to act and change their habits to improve it. If, like us, you want to be part of the change, please support our project and become a Narvalo. Thanks.
Hello, backers. In 2018, we appeared in front of you, dreaming of an innovation in wiper blades that hadn't changed for nearly 100 years. The result was sweet, debuting brilliantly and ranking #1 of all time in the wiper blade category on crowdfunding platforms, such as Kickstarter. Total funding amount, $395,000. 569 cities in 84 countries worldwide. 5,522 sponsors. Founded KIMBLADE for the first time in 2015. Prototype development. KIMBLADE was complete after years of field testing. All of our team members cheered. When the products were delivered to all over the world and the delivery was finished. Our new task, KIMBLADE Upgrade, based on the experiences and requests of the backers who supported us. We researched and researched again, and right now I'm back with the results. Let me introduce KIMBLADE NANO, the third generation.
We have reviewed the comments of our backers, which can be summarized in 3 ways. First, incorrect size and incorrect delivery of the vehicle's wiper model. Second, product performance deterioration due to use without cleaning and conditioning the windshield. Third, wiper silicone durability. Let's start with the conclusion. None of these problems are in the 3rd generation.
Size and delivery problems that did not match the vehicle. Use the wiper finder on the KIMBLADE website. Check the wiper code that matches your car model and write the code that matches your car on the Kickstarter order page. And you're done. Delivery is via FedEx Air Freight. Fast, accurate, and to your door. Product performance degradation due to the use of wipers without windshield conditioning. Car windshields are susceptible to dust and debris. Using a wiper on glass contaminated with fine dust, tire dust, tar, insects, etc. degrades the wiper's performance. Abrasion of the glass also prevents safe driving visibility in rainy weather.
So what should I do?
Using a windshield treatment kit improves the condition of a tarnished windshield. Equipped with KIMBLADE, the world's first square blade, cleans the glass surface evenly and neatly. All these packages are for the same amount as the first funding. Did you already buy it? Then get the refill blade. Choose the color you like without changing the frame. Easy. Replacement. Improved durability of wiper silicone.
Is silicone bound to be vulnerable to physical wear and tear? The answer is CNT reinforced blades.
By adding a carbon nanotube reinforcing agent that is 100 times stronger than iron. In addition to raising the limit of durability of silicone rubber, it has a final durability that can withstand the harshest environments.
Finally, KIMBLADE is back with the KIMBLADE.
KIMBLADE has a remarkably high cleaning power due to the contact of the line, not the face. The surface area that meets the glass is small, allowing the force to be concentrated.
The world's first rectangular blade is applied. With smooth direction changing, it improves the noise of the wiper caused by friction. With the water-repellent function of the blade contained in special silicone, providing a safer and clearer driving field of view in rainy weather. We at KIMBLADE have improved upon our previous wiper blades with a new generation, with constant research and development.
Based on advanced funding, know-how, and constructive feedback from you, we want to make a project that could be more satisfying to all of our backers. KIMBLADE, second project, only on Kickstarter.